kids, it's Mrs. Murphy, and it's time for reading. In today's lesson, we're going to go back and look at the book Plants Feed Me. Now, when we were reading this book, I noticed that it told the process that it takes for some plants to grow into fruit that you can eat. That process, or the steps told in order, are called a sequence. In our lesson today, you're going to learn to recognize and describe the steps in a sequence. Let's check it out. When the author tells the events in order, it's called a sequence. Reading the events or steps in order helps us understand the information better. Sometimes each step is numbered, like 1, 2, 3. Other times, the author uses signal words to tell you the order, like first, next, then, finally, or last. Readers also use signal words to retell the steps of a sequence. All right, now that you know what a sequence is, let's practice identifying the steps by using our story, Plants Feed Me. The sequence on this page. The page says, walnuts are seeds, they fall from tall trees. Then we have a diagram that shows a fruit opening, a walnut in its shell, a shell opening, and then finally the walnut ready to eat. I see that this page is all about walnuts. The text at the top says that they fall from trees. This is an event or a step in the sequence. What word should we use to describe that this event happened in the beginning? You're right, we could say first. First, the fruit falls from the tree. What happens after the fruit falls from the tree? You're right, the fruit opens up. To show that this happened after the beginning step, we could use the word next. Next, the fruit opens up. Then what happens? You're right, the shell opens. We could say, then the shell opens. What happens at the very end? You're right, we have a walnut ready to eat. To show that it's at the end, we could say, finally. Finally, the walnut is ready to eat. And that's it. That's how you can use signal words to describe the steps in a sequence. If you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe.